Alright, good day students. As you can see, the two triangles are arranged as shown in the diagram, and you are required to find the values of y and angle x respectively. So how do you solve this type of problem involving triangle measuration, side and angle measuration? So the first thing to make it easy is to label the triangles. So I call here A, B, C, D, and this point here E. So once you have done that, we can solve it from triangle. We can start from any of the triangle to solve for the required values. So from triangle BDE, BDE by Pythagoras theorem, you have that by Pythagoras theorem, you have that BE squared is equals to DE squared plus BD squared. That is from Pythagoreans. Once you have done that, the next is to look at the values. So we have that BDE is equals to 5 squared, and BD is equals to 15 squared. So from here you have that BE squared is equals to, this is 25 plus 225. If you add the 2, you have 250. So the next is to find the square root of both sides of the equation, and that gives us that BE is equals to the square root of 250. You are measuring side, so you take the positive value of the square root. So you can simplify the sort. That is the same as 25 times 10. And if you do that, you have BE to be equals to 5 root 10. 5 root 10 units. So you have gotten the value of BE. The next thing you have gotten the value of BE. So I can clear here, we are finding two things, the length y and the angle x. So the next thing is to return to the diagram. BE is equals to 5 root 10. So we have gotten that BE is 5 root 10, and then, which means this implies that AB is equals to AE plus what? BE. Sorry, AB, this is length, is equals to AE plus what? BE, all of the side here plus the second one in the right. So from here, this implies AB is equals to AE, which is 2 root 10, plus BE, which is 5 root 10. Adding the 2, have that BA is equals to 7 root 10 unit. You only add the coefficients of like sort. So once we have done that, we have to solve for coming to the next is the triangle ABC, triangle ABC. From triangle ABC, use Pythagoras theorem. From Pythagoras theorem, we have that AB is equals to AC plus BC. We have that AB squared, hope you are seeing it, AB squared, AB squared is equals to AC squared. See AC, Y, the value is Y, and then BC squared. You see BC is the adjacent. So once we have stated the Pythagoras will return here. That means that AB squared is the same. So we say that let Y be equals to AC is the same as Y squared plus 21 squared. Is it not? So we know that AB is equals to 7 root 10. So we have 7 root 10 squared is equals to Y squared, because you are asked to find the value of Y, plus 21 squared. So from here, hope you are seeing it. So from here, we can simplify the equation in favor of Y. That is, we can make Y the subject. So from here, 7 square root of 7 is what? 49. If you square the square root of 10, will give us what? The square of 10 will give us 10. 10 times 49 will give us 490. Bring 21, Y squared. The square root of 21 is 441. So the next is to plus 441 crosses the other side. You have Y squared is equals to 490 minus 441. So subtract it. 490 minus 441 will give us what? Will give us Y squared to be 49. So find the square root of both sides. You have that Y is equals to the square root of 49, and that gives us 7 units. So you have find the value of Y. Therefore, Y is equals to 7 units. Now you have gotten Y. The next thing is to find the value of angle X. So you return from triangle again, BDE. Use trigonometry identity abbreviation. Use what? Trigonometry identity. In this case, you have BD divided by a DE is equals to 15 divided by 5, and that gives us tan E. This angle here, that gives us what? Tan E. Now we can find the angle of tan E. In that case, you have this implies you can simplify this immediately to give us 3. Is it not? 5 divided itself is 1. 15 divided by 5 will give us 3. This implies tan E is equals to 3. So find the arctan on both sides of the equation. You have that angle E is equals to tan inverse of 3. So have that E is equals to, find the arctan 3, and that gives us 71.570. This is to 2 decimal places. So once you have gotten angle E, the next thing you have to do is to return to this diagram. You return to this diagram. So from the diagram, you see that angle BED plus angle BEC is equals to 180. These two angles here is equals to 180. Reason is sum of angles in a straight line equals 180 degree. So once you have stated their reason, the next is to substitute the values. So you have gotten that BED is 71.57 plus, mind you that this angle here is angle X. So but let's continue with it, plus BEC is equals to 180 degree. So this implies that angle BEC is 180 degree minus 71.57 degree. So do the subtraction. What do you have? Do the subtraction. Do you have calculator? Do it immediately. So 180 degree minus 71.57, you have 108.43. So do the subtraction. That gives us 183.43. Therefore angle BEC is equals to 183.43 degree, and this is equals to angle X. So you can come here and say that angle X is equals to 183.43 degree, with in 2 decimal places. So this is what you are required to solve. This is what you are required to solve. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Before you go, do me a favor, subscribe to my channel for more videos for your views, like and share. Click the subscribe button to be notified whenever there is new updates or videos in my channel. You'll be the first person to receive it. I hope you enjoy it. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.